In this video, I'll be discussing the difference between percentage complete, which is time-based, our percentage work complete, which is effort-based, and the physical percentage complete. And I'll also be doing two examples at the end of the video. So let's first start off with our percentage complete, which is duration or time-based, and also sometimes referred to as our duration percentage complete or the time percentage complete. But this actually measures your duration progress on your project. And the formula for that is the actual duration divided by the total duration. So let's have a look at an example. So for a specific task, the planned duration is 10 days. The time lapsed on the task or the project is 5 days. So 5 divided by 10 is 50%. Therefore, our percentage complete is 50%. However, there might not have been any physical work done on the project. Some typical tasks might be administrative tasks, meetings, research, or design discussions, which can be time-based. And lastly, again, our percentage complete is how much time has passed or lapsed on our task or project. Now let's look at our percentage work complete, which is effort-based. So this measures our effort progress, which is based on our work hours and not the duration. And the formula for that is our actual work divided by the total work planned for the task or the project. Now again, let's just look at an example. So a specific task requires 40 hours of work, and the team has logged 20 hours of work at a specific point in time. So it's 20 divided by 40, so our percentage work complete is 50%. Now some typical tasks might be engineering design, which is hourly based, software development, hourly based, and some tasks with multiple resources working in unequal hours. So our percentage work complete is effort based and is the work hours spent on our project or task. Now our physical percentage complete is output or deliverable based, and it measures your actual physical progress or output on a project, and it's independent of the time or work lapsed on your project. This is a real progress of the deliverable. So let's look at an example. So for a pipeline of 1,000 meters that we need to install, at a specific point in time, 300 meters was completed. So our physical percentage complete is 300 divided by 1,000, it's 30%. Even if 50% of the time or hours is spent on the project, as was seen in the previous two examples. Some tasks might be construction work, manufacturing work, or quantity-based deliverables. And our percentage work complete again is how much of the real deliverable has been completed on our project. Now let's look at two examples. So for example 1, it's a civil engineering project where we need to construct 10 kilometers of road base. The planned duration was 25 days. The time lapsed was 15 days. So 15 divided by 25 is 60%. So our percentage complete is 60%. For our percentage work complete, we planned 250 hours that is required. 175 hours of work was done to date. So it's 175 divided by 250, it's 70%. So 70% of our planned work hours was spent. So our percentage work complete is 70%. And then lastly, we've constructed 4 kilometers out of the 10 kilometers of road. So 4 divided by 10 is 40%. Our physical percentage complete is 40%. So from this data, we can see that 60% of time passed, 70% of work hours was done. However, only 40% physical progress was measured. So that's our percentage complete versus percentage work complete versus our physical percentage complete. Then lastly, the development of a payment integration functionality. We've got 4 days out of 8 days was used. So it's 50%, our percentage complete Percentage work complete, 32 hours out of 40 hours was measured, so that's 80%. So our percentage work complete is 80%. And lastly, only 30% of the functionality was delivered. So our physical percentage complete is 30%. So our percentage complete is how much time has passed. Percentage work complete is how much planned effort has been spent. And our physical percentage complete is how much of the real deliverable has been built. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, or you can subscribe to my channel for more project management related videos.